The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. So we have plenty of calm weather right now. It's been the case for a couple days at this point, and it's mostly going to stay the case, even as our next system tries to approach. There's a whole lot of rainfall from parts of South Dakota stretching all the way down towards Louisiana into the Gulf of Mexico. But the bulk of this system is going to stay pretty well towards our south, thanks to some pretty strong high pressure, which is going to help us out. Now, in the next couple of hours, we cool down pretty consistently. We don't have much cloud cover. We don't have much wind through the night. We do spend most of the night in the 30s, all the way from midnight to when we hit our lows in the low 30s. And then we're able to warm up pretty quickly tomorrow because of rather consistent sunshine. For Sunday, lots of temperatures end up back in the mid-50s. NRV and Highlands are staying a little bit cooler and then losing a couple of degrees on Monday as well. But it's really not a huge change, kind of like how today was about the same as yesterday. Sunday's about the same as today, and we kind of keep that trend through Monday. Things do get a little bit hairier on Tuesday as that system gets closer to us. But until then, winds are going to stay calm on Sunday for the most part. Some breezes here and there. Monday, they're really calm, and then Tuesday, there's just little breezes here and there as some high pressure starts to change our weather. Now, we're not getting rain either on Tuesday when the front starts to head our direction or after that, but we are looking at another chance pretty late into the week. As far as the next couple of days are concerned, rain is mostly going to stay off towards our west through the rest of today, so it keeps us pretty sunny all the way through sunset. The rain does get closer to us as Sunday goes along, but most of that's still staying southwest of us, so not really into South Carolina too much, not getting towards the northeast of Nashville. We're hardly getting any cloud cover from that on Sunday. And then on Monday, when showers could get towards us, the high pressure just stays pretty strong and pushes it down towards the southeast. A lot of the deep south will start to dry out on Tuesday. Now, because of that high pressure, we end up bringing in some cooler air, so Tuesday's temperatures take a little bit of a dip, but then we are right back up into the above average category on Wednesday and keep on adding heat all the way through the weekend. That's despite another system, which is probably going to bring us a little bit of rainfall on Friday. Lots of warmth headed our direction, and even beyond that, while the western side of the country is going to stay on the cool side, we end up with quite a bit of heat as the high pressure moves further towards the east. So all the way through the next 10 days, getting us closer to the middle of the month, temperatures are most likely going to be in the 50s and even 60s as opposed to the 40s that we have in a typical February. Tonight, a lot of us fall to the 20s and 30s. Blacksburg's at 26, Danville 29, Bedford at 30, and then we're able to warm up pretty decently on Sunday. Still staying very sunny there. Showers stay towards our south on Monday, so we can still get to the low to mid 50s. Roanoke's right at 54. And on the extended forecast, temperatures, like I was saying earlier, we bring in some cooler air on Tuesday, so we cool a little bit to around 50 degrees, but bounce back pretty quickly. Friday's system brings us a couple showers, loses most of the rain before it gets to us, staying warm into the weekend.